Okay, so you're dealing with a problem around the home. You maybe reach for this product, WD-40. It's a super common product for dealing with, I don't know, a squeaking door hinge, or you've got some rusty thing and you're trying to loosen it up. WD-40 might be a really good option to go for. But you know what? It's actually not the thing that you really want to use if you're dealing with something like, I don't know, a squeaking door hinge. And I'm going to tell you why. So WD-40 provides temporary lubrication. It's very important, right? So it's doing a couple of additional things. It displaces moisture. That's really important. And it helps to, free up, like I said, corrosion or rust. But that temporary lubrication is important. If we have something that needs to be lubricated, like a squeaky door hinge, if you apply WD-40, it's going to work. And the hinge is going to stop squeaking. You're going to be really happy with yourself. And then 2 weeks or a month or 6 months later, squeak, 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 every time you open and close the door. Because it's only providing a temporary solution where there are better options for you here. So my go-to, for sure, if I want lubrication long-term, something that's got some staying power and some longevity, I'm going to reach towards a white lithium grease spray product versus a WD-40. Almost any metal-to-metal application where you're trying to provide lubrication, you want the lubrication to last. You don't want to provide temporary lubrication on a bike chain or a door hinge or any other time metal and metal are moving and in direct contact. White lithium grease is going to give you better results, longer lasting results, and now we're doing a better job than we were before. Remember, I'm technically Steve, and it would technically help you to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you do, I'll see you later.